GoPro Hero 13, the Action 5 from DJI, brand new Nano from DJI, Insta360 Go3s. So what we're going to be doing right now is we're going to be testing these camera guys, testing them very well. I'm not going to do it all in one video because I heard you guys don't like long videos, so we're going to break it up a little bit, show you a lot of footage, what I've caught and what I've like and don't like, and I'll just shut up a lot. How about that? I'll just be quiet. I was told I blah 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 too much, so I'm going to shut up and let you guys look at the footage, make your own opinion.
She moves like a map with no borders, a whisper caught in the wind. I see her boots at the corner cafe, with a notebook and a grin. She's chasing skies I've never named, while I stay in my lane. But something in the way she moves keeps pulling at my chain. Oh, traveler, you carry the sun in your stride, leaving behind what I hold inside. If I don't ask your name today, I may never get the chance to walk beside your wandering dance. She hums a tune I've never heard.
Action camera worst nightmare. This is walking through the woods, or forest, whatever you want to call it, but it's the hardest thing for an action camera to do, I feel. Trying to get the details, the grass with the gravel, changing the lighting of the sun coming in and out of the trees, and the darkness. So we'll see which one does good here. skin tones look like as I walk through the woods. Alright, all the microphones are just using their internal microphones. There's no external plugged in right now, so which sound do you like better? The GoPro, the Action 5, the Nano, or the Go3s? Testing 1, 2, 3. You can hear my feet on the gravel, and that's about it. Pretty quiet. Besides the hawks hawking in the back. Let's get some cloudage, sky change. This should be a pretty tough shot. Kind of dark. We'll see if we get any detail out of this. And if you don't know it, Scott's Reviews. I do camera reviews and speakers. Check out my channel. If you're on this video watching this because you're interested in one of these cameras, see how they turn out, do me a favor, give a like and subscribe. Okay, I'll shut up. Vehicle, how does it sound, how does it look? Looking at it looks more rich on the DJI. So my Jeep is mostly plastic, so putting the cameras on the car itself is kind of difficult, so I found a place to put them. So I'm going to try here and there. Alright guys, that's part 1. Stick around for part 2. So on the way to see part 2 is like and subscribe. Or subscribe at least. That way you see part 2. We got a lot more footage coming up for these 4 cameras. And maybe a 5th down the road.